Udemy Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be reviewing the Udemy Affiliate Program and sharing my personal experience with it. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check the links in the description for additional details. Udemy is one of the largest and most popular online learning platforms, offering courses on just about anything, from tech and business to hobbies and personal development. Let's get straight to the point and talk about the Udemy Affiliate Program. It's open to anyone who wants to promote Udemy's courses and earn commissions, making it ideal for bloggers, influencers, educators, and marketers. The sign-up process is simple, and once you're approved, you gain access to a wide range of affiliate tools and resources to start promoting. One of the most appealing features of the Udemy Affiliate Program is its commission structure. Affiliates can earn up to 20% commission on course sales, which can really add up if you're targeting high-ticket courses. While the commission rate might seem lower than other programs, Udemy's courses are often offered at a significant discount, sometimes up to 90% off, so there's plenty of room for earning potential. You'll also benefit from lifetime tracking, meaning you can earn commissions from a user's purchases across multiple courses as long as they're referred through your link. Another great thing about Udemy's affiliate program is the cookie window. It lasts for 7 days. This gives potential customers enough time to consider their purchase and still ensure you get credit for the sale if they decide to sign up. As someone who's worked with Udemy's affiliate program, I can confirm that conversions are high, especially if you know your audience's needs and promote relevant courses. The platform also provides real-time performance tracking, so you can monitor your campaigns and see what's working. To sum it up, the Udemy Affiliate Program is a solid option for anyone looking to promote educational content. With a strong catalog of courses, competitive commissions, and a straightforward affiliate interface, it's an easy way to start earning, especially if your audience is interested in online learning. Be sure to check out the links in the description to get started. Thanks for watching.